أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Last week I made a video about a particular pipsqueak, a particular delinquent, a particular ruffian, an individual, a fool, block-headed fool who's coming out and burning the Qur'an on a weekly basis, thinking that he's harming Islam and the Muslims thereby. Unfortunately for him, I have to say, he's come out and done it again. Let's take a look at the video of him being aggressive and burning the Qur'an, coming out of Masjid, people trying threatening behavior to people, and come back and see. As you can see, this fool thinks he's getting something done. He's achieving something, that the objective is being met. I'll tell you what objective is being met. What objective is being met is that you're actually helping us raise money to establish Islam and Muslims in Norway. In fact, the video that we done last, 80,000 euros were raised. That's thanks to you, Lars. Thorsen. I wanted to thank you personally. Again, you know, that's 80,000 euros. You can get a lot with that. And as I promised, every time you burn the Qur'an, that's a promise of mine. Yes, and the promise of the Muslim community. It was the promise of the Muslim community that every time that you burn the Qur'an, there'll be 50,000 euros to your name, that you'll be yourself the chief fundraiser. Thank you so much, Lars, for fundraising by antagonizing the Muslims, making the Muslims angry, making the Muslims give charity in the last 10 nights of Ramadan, which is what you're doing, which is what it is now. You're encouraging the Muslims to do this. But not only that, but you've actually come out, you had the audacity, you had the bravery to challenge me to a debate, to challenge Muhammad Hijab to a debate. No problem, I accept the debate. I'll come down to Norway. Let's debate, is Islam true? Let's debate anything you like. You can bring whatever you want, and we'll have a discussion. Not just you, but that political leader in Sweden. Maybe when I'm done with you, I'll go, you know, it's only a 1 hour flight or something to Sweden, and I'll deal with him as well. But for now, what I will say is, for the Muslim community, as we promised to the people, that every time this man burns a Qur'an and he creates a ruckus in our community and he creates some problems in our community, that you're going to yourself, Lars, as the chief fundraising officer, you are going to now help us raise another 100,000, since we're now in the last 10 nights of Ramadan. So this is the time for everybody to go full throttle, to honestly, don't just let your right hand spend and forget about, don't even inquire, don't even look back. مَا نَقَصَ مَالٍ مِّن صَدَقَةٍ, as the Prophet Muhammad said, that mal or wealth does not depreciate from giving in charity. And on the flip side, one thing which we or individuals on the Day of Judgment, maybe like Lars Thorsen himself, who's going to be burning in the hellfire himself, inshallah, if he continues at the pace that he's at, burning in hellfire, is that they will be saying وَمَا صَدَّقَ وَمَا صَلَّى وَلَكِنْ كَذَّبَ وَتَوَلَّى. The one thing they'll be regretting is the fact that they haven't even given charity. We don't want to be like these individuals who regret not giving the charity in days like golden days like this. Tonight, baby, Laylatul Qadr. You must give the charity, we must go forward, we must continue the cause. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.